everyone, welcome to this episode of The Charm of Tea. We all know that the way of matcha shows many similarities with the Song Dynasty's tea ceremony, as the matcha originated in China during that period. The Japanese monk Issei brought back the tea preparation methods from the Zen temples in Song Dynasty, laying the foundation of the tea culture in Japan. Now let's explore the differences between the two ceremonies.
Making matcha begins with several essential steps that set the foundation for a perfect cup of tea. It begins with warming the tea bowl and cleaning the tea whisk. The tea bowl is warmed to ensure it retains heat, which is vital for bringing out the full flavors of the matcha. The second step involves adding the matcha tea powder to the warm bowl, followed by pouring in hot water. After combining the ingredients, the house whisks quickly using precise wrist movements to create a smooth and frothy consistency. In the traditional Japanese tea ceremony, the final step is serving the tea, a moment rich in significance. Before handing over the bowl, the house gently rotates it twice, presenting its best side to the guest. As the bowl is offered with care, the guest is invited to appreciate not only the tea itself, but also the artistry and mindfulness involved in this preparation. During the Song Dynasty, preparing tea began with making a fine tea powder. First, high-quality tea leaves were roasted to enhance their flavor. The roasted leaves were then ground into a fine powder and sifted for an even finer texture. Next, the tea bowl was prepared. Similar to the method used for matcha, we need to heat the tea bowl. However, unlike matcha, the Song method required mixing the powder tea with a small amount of hot water to create a thick paste. After that, hot water was gradually added, followed by vigorous whisking with the bamboo whisk to produce a frothy white foam on the surface.
现在我们进行的是点茶的最后一个部分——茶百戏。在宋代时，古人喜欢用清水作画，而现在我们更加偏爱用茶粉调制成的茶膏在墨帛上作画。通过亲身体验呢，我们可以看出，由于武士道精神的融入，日式茶道更加注重仪轨和形制，强调内心的平静与尊重；而宋代点茶呢，则更加注重写意和审美。通过这个茶百戏就能体现这一点。Although the Song Dynasty powder tea and Japanese matcha shares a rich historical and cultural background, they differ in drinking styles, preparation, and cultural expressions, reflecting the unique values and lifestyles of their respective cultures. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching and goodbye!